Nakaka-amaze lang guys. Pagmasdan ng mga monkey dito. This time, aakyat tayo. Sasakay tayo sa pinakamataas na outdoor elevator. Yung speed papuntang taas daw is 1 minute and 24 seconds. Kung ka pumasok, kailangan mo na ng facial recognition para makapasok ka. Sir, say hi!
Hello! This is Zhang Jiajie.
Yeah.
First part. And now we are inside the mountain.
So ito na, papasok na tayo. Come on!
We are going to see the view soon. Now, look at the roof. Look out, everybody, say hi! Hi! Now look forward. 3, 2, 1.
Nawawala kami. So ito na nga, papunta tayo sa Avatar Hallelujah Mountain. Ang haba ng pila, oh. My God. Ito na yung ano to, pinaka-platform 1 yata nila. I'm here, guys. The view. Oh God. Oh my God, this is perfect. Really a paradise on earth. So this time, unti-unti na nating nalalapitan yung mga mountains. Oh my God, ito na nga. Ayan na yung friend ko. Go ahead, have your moment. This is your moment. Alright, so our dinner is a Korean restaurant, yes. This is for the dinner, guys.
Dinner is Korean barbecue.
For Korean barbecue. Ang nagluluto si Veron.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, good morning everybody. So it's 23 of March. So we are still in Zhangjiajie. So this is the museum. Time check, it's 8:32 in the morning. So this time, papasok tayo sa museum. Bawal yata mag-take ng photo dito, no? Sorry, love her.
Around it, we seem to see the owner ever need ancient brick. This one.
Okay, so this time, magkakape tayo kasi masyadong malamig. And bumili tayo ng mocha. Let's see kung masarap. Kasi may mga kape nila dito eh. Hindi masyadong matapang. Hindi masarap. Hindi siya masarap. Time check, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Pero ganito pa rin yung itsura ng Zhangjiajie. Medyo may pagka-foggy. I have my coffee with me. That's Veya. So we're just here for the free massage. Ayan. Oh my God, ang sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap! Ang sarap! Wala bang intensity to? So this time we're gonna have our third lunch here in a dining hall. Dining hall? Hall ba to? Dining hall. Dining hall, oh. Ano ba? Saan tayo? Dito na lang tayo.
Mushroom and the chicken.
Chicken.
That one is pork ribs.
Pork
That
ribs.
one also pork and fungus. Super
alright.
fungus.
Ako okay rin, pero yung iba naman, protocol talaga. Naiintindihan ko eh. Kasi paano nga naman kung walang trabaho, tapos wala kang tatak.
So this time, we will be heading to Tianmen Mountain. And para makapunta doon, we need to walk at least 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Then afterwards, we will be catching the longest cable car here in Tianmen.
Around 20 minutes.
Around 20 minutes again. So before they go, they have to use the toilet, ha? Kumusta naman, Mare, ang outfit natin today?
Okay naman.
Excited?
Yeah, it's a bit cold, but beautiful as always. So
Yeah.
excited for today.
So yun na nga, everybody is so excited because you know this is gonna be the highlight of our trip. So you have to make it sure bago kayo umakyat ng Tianmen Mountain, you have to use the toilet first kasi alam natin, talagang mahirap magkaroon ng emergency sa taas. So guys, we have tickets already with our passports. So kailangan daw pagpasok, kailangan may passport and your ticket. So 8 passengers per cable car daw. Guys, hi to the vlog. Our working moms.
然后我们这边叫我小孩子
Ano may... Ha?
This side you can see a lot of the ripsy flowers.
Yeah, that one.
Ang ganda ng green.
There's a dog in the river, in the stream. There's a dog.
Yeah, the dog. Give us more story.
Heaven's Gate. Here in the Heaven's Gate, you see that?
Where is it? Oh my God, that one.
The whole.
Hi, Roxette. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Ayan, pababa na tayo. Ang dami pala, babe. Oo. Guys, try to appreciate the view. Oh my God. Guys, above the sea level talaga siya.
And then we will do the glass walk by the cliff. This glass not so long, only 60 meters, but more than 500 meters high to the bottom of the valley.
Good luck.
We meet the local people, the domestic people, they like,
So ito na nga, sisimulan natin yung adventure natin.
everybody, over there, that's the Zhangjiajie Airport. It's a very small airport.
Yeah. Ang layo.
And guys, take a look down the bottom of the valley. Did you see there is a part of the green color?
Yes.
That is the Fox City Show Theater. Tonight we are going to watch the show there.
So ang lamig pala sa taas kasi above sea level talaga siya. Tapos ang dami pang tao. Sad to say it's Sunday, so parang madaming tourist na umaakyat. Ito na yung pinakamataas na mountain dito sa China. So hindi pa tayo nangangalahati. But still, you know, we can do it. Ang daming ano to, nagtutour.
It's a kind of tree, this tree.
So ito na nga, we've been walking for 10 minutes. And mamaya makakarating tayo sa glass panel, which is yun yung pinaka-highlight din ng tour. So, nakasombrero tayo pero malamig naman.
I will wait for you at the exit.
So ito na nga, naglalakad kami papuntang Glass Bridge, which is one of the highlights ng tour natin. So ang haba ng pila. Nagsisimula na sila magbigay ng pang-cover sa sapatos natin. They only have one color, which is red. Grabe naman kayo makatsaka. Anong gusto niyo? Mahulog kayo sa glass? Suotin natin, guys.
Wala else na.
May bagay sa'yo, Hema. It looks like it's really your shoe.
Really? Because I was born different from the others. So ito na nga, magsisimula na, guys. Oh my God, I can't believe it. They're bringing the extra traffic here. Talaga nakakatakot siya. Yan yung view natin, guys. Nakakatakot to. So nasa gitna pa rin tayo, guys. Problema kasi ang daming tao. So hindi nag-move yung pila. Hanggang doon yung pila natin. Ayan. So guys, naglalakad tayo. Ayan, transparent pa rin. Ayan. This is the view, guys. Yung iba natatakot, oh. Yung iba doon na lang naglalakad kasi natatakot. Ayan. So ayan, makikita natin yung mga naglalakad. They are crossing the glass bridge with their glass stopper shoes provided by the tour company. And this is the view, guys. Ayan. So yung mga napapanood mo lang sa TikTok na nagba-viral, ito na yun, guys. Ayan na. Hi. Tories. Yeah. So yun na nga. Madaming tao, but we are confident na wala namang magnanakaw. Walang kukuha ng mga gamit natin. Can't believe it. So may mga CCTV cameras din dito. Ganun talaga ka-develop sila. So, this is the end of the line. Oh my God, oh my God, sorry. Oh. One by one.
来，走完大地震动的照片，前面小木屋去看自己照片了啊。
How's the experience? Super ganda, diba? Hindi ka pa natakot?
That corner, another nice shot.
上面有你们的照片啊。来，我们20分有车的破完证没有？刚刚走玻璃栈道反。
Saan yung magandang view daw? Ayun. Ito yata, oh. Hey man! Hello everybody! This is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Veron. Yeah, what can you say about the tour? Did you enjoy the glass bridge?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much.
Do you have a good shot?
Yes.
Yeah. What about your friend? Our best photographer ever, the only one, the one and only, the impeccable, the epitome of art of taking picture. This is Catherine Aquino. Yeah. And that's the oldest sister. Ay, nako. So ito na yung bridge na tatawirin natin.
This way, Skywalk.
Okay, the Skywalk. Welcome to Skywalk, guys. Ayan. Mahaba siya. This is it. The moment we have all been waiting is finally here. Welcome to Skywalk, guys.
You can take a video at this part.
Yeah. Nakaka-amaze pa rin. We are still in Skywalk and kung gaano kataas itong bridge na to, ganoon din kataas yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay. Of course, we really have to hard work and do some pushing for us to be, this time, bumili tayo ng ice cream here in Tianmen Mountain. Yeah. Dito lang sa likod namin yung store. Worth 25
RMB.
RMB.
Yeah.
Ayan. Cute.
Ang cute to.
Ah,
Cute ng ice cream. Shape ng Tianmen Mountain.
Oo nga, no?
Yun nga, yun babe. Mountain na nga. Ayan na, nakagat ko na.
Ayan. The mountain. Tianmen Mountain.
Cute.
Kainin mo na, babe. Pupunta na tayo ng Tianmen Mountain sa Heavenly Gate. So dahil we decided not to use the 999 steps, so we choose to use the escalator pala. So this is the escalator, guys. The best way for you to go to Heavenly Gate is by having this escalator. That's the fastest way. Guys, hey. This is the longest escalator in the world. So we are now in Heavenly Gate. Ito na.
Take a look of the mountain, the highest mountain, and there is another mountain behind. You can see a little bit the color. Did you see that?
So, ito na yung Heaven's Gate. Ayan, madami na yung tao. And tinatawag na tayo ng tour guide. So we are now inside the Heaven's Gate. Yan yung butas niya, guys. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa harap para makita natin. Ito yung butas ng mountain. Tinatawag nilang Heaven's Gate. Problema dito, ang dami naninigarilyo.
We are now inside the Heaven's Gate. This is 131 meters high, 57 meters wide.
So yan yung dragon. Ang daming humahawak kasi may paniniwala daw. Kapag daw hinawakan yung buntot tsaka yung ulo, it's for health. Tapos pag nasa gilid lang daw yung mga pakpak niya tsaka yung paa niya, it's for wealth. So nag-aagawan sila.
Grabe naman yun.
Guys, ito yung 999 steps. So kung hindi kami sumakay ng elevator or escalators pala, ito yung magiging daan mo. Saan ka manggagaling? 999 square meter.
Okay, take it slowly. See you later.
Okay, see you. So, let the journey begin. Ito na nga, we are gonna try the 999 steps instead of having the elevator or the escalators, guys. So, since hindi naman mahirap bumaba, ang mas nahihirapan ako is yung pag-akyat. So, since pababa tayo, hindi naman siya mahirap. So, we will try. Diba, at least masabi natin sa buhay natin na, oh, we've been there. So, ito na, kinakabahan ako.
I've done this.
Yeah. So, we have to walk slowly, make it slowly kasi very, very step talaga yung mga dinadaanan natin. One more. Titin, kaya na yan. Ayan, madami na. So, ito na nga, naglalakad pa rin tayo. I'm with my friends. Walang iwanan talaga to. Hoy, guys, make it slowly ha. So, kaya naman, hindi nakakapagod kasi pababa siya. Unlike kung paakyat ka, mas nakakapagod yan. The thing is, kung kinakaya ng mga bata, ayan na. At saka mga matatanda, mas kaya natin, diba? So, we just have to make it slow. Slowly but surely. Kasi pag nahulog ka, ayun, walang kasiguraduhan na buhay ka. So, our tour guide will meet us over there sa pinakadulo. Ano, kaya pa guys?
Hindi pantay-pantay.
Oo. Oh, my friend is having her moment. Yeah. How's the walk?
999 steps.
Yeah. How many steps do you have?
I'm not so sure.
Yeah. But nasa middle na tayo eh.
Yes, konti na lang.
Konti na lang.
The knees are like,
Yeah, the knees. Sabi nga nila, there's no glory without sacrifice. Diba? So, ayan. Yung kaibigan mong takot na takot maglakad, takot na takot sa height. Here we go. She's having her moment. Go ahead. You can do that. One more steps. Make it slow. Slowly but surely. Ha? Malilit nga. Okay, come on. Let's go. Struggle is real. Talagang ano to. May himatay ka sa ganitong scenes. Nakakalahati pa lang kami guys. Ayan o. Mahabang lakbay to guys. While our friends is having their moments for taking pictures. Ayun. Oh, nararamdaman ko na yung mga pawis sa likod ko. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Grabe. Nakakalahati pa lang tayo. So parang hindi ko na kaya. Sinisip mo na ako. Parang nakakapagod na. Yeah. So yung butas na pinuntahan natin, ito na yung harap ng butas na yan guys. Yung nasa taas na yan. Oh. Ayan o. Yung butas na yan. Yan na yan. Yung harap na yan. Malapit na tayo guys. Ayan na yung ano to, pinaka final point ng bababaan natin. Oh my god. Ito na. Ayan na yung pinakamalaking circle. Oh my god, finally. Congratulations for oh my god, I survived. So ito na nga guys, yung inakyat natin kanina, ayan na. Diba? 999 steps. Diba? Kinaya natin yon.